Welcome to Port Orleans French Quarter. Let's go check everything out. I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this beautiful resort, from the pool to the dining. And let me tell you, they have some good dining here. Did you know they have Mickey-shaped beignets, live entertainment? There's just so much to offer. Oh, you can take a horse and buggy. I'm going to show you the new refurbished rooms and all of the transportation that you can take. So let's get started. I am starving. I'm actually going to go get something to eat before I even go to see the new room. And the room is refurbished. I'm starving. Sassagoula Floatworks is their quick service dining where they serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I have been waiting all day to come to Port Orleans French Quarter and get me some New Orleans food. So of course I had to get Jambaya. Check this out, and look at that big old piece of cornbread on it. I am enjoying this to the fullest. This is some really good jambalaya. Let's see about this cornbread. Oh, okay. I like it. It's a little sweet. Alright, obviously didn't like that at all. I'm very happy and full now. We gotta go see that room. There goes the riverboat coming from Disney Springs. Isn't it just lovely? I've never stayed in building 1 before here, but this is the building that has the refurbished room. So I asked very nicely and they gave me a refurbished room. Wouldn't it be cool if it was facing the river? But that might be a little too good to be true, because I'm pretty sure I paid for a regular room. Okay, room 1139. Oh, I absolutely love these refurbished rooms. Oh, beautiful, just beautiful. It gives me, like, those lights look like they're from the Contemporary. Like the Contemporary. You should have redone your rooms like this. And it gives me a little bit of Magic Kingdom feel on Main Street in here. I love the coral pillow. I love the color scheme. So yeah, my room with 2 queen beds. And you have plenty of room to store your luggage if you need to. I have a luggage rack. I put mine on top of the luggage rack. Of course, I got my Disney 100 Years of Music and Wonder suitcase. Yeah, I'm in the refurbished rooms, and I just asked politely because they said that, you know, I could ask. It wasn't guaranteed, but they put in my request when I made the reservations. And then when I came here, I asked, and they got me a refurbished room. I love it. Building 1. Look, they give you, oh, let me fix Mickey Mouse. Cute little Mickey Mouse giving you cruise vibes with a cute little Mickey Mouse made out of towels on your bed. Our hope is that your room feels welcoming and adds to the amazing memories you will create here. Thank you for choosing Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter Resort. Sincerely, your housekeeping team. How nice. They still have the cute little Mardi Gras beads shaped like Mickey Mouse. I love that added touch. They have this little cute couch now where it used to be a table and 2 chairs. I like this better. So I'm loving this long, nice, sleek dresser area. It reminds me of the refurbished rooms at Coronado Springs. So you have 7 drawers altogether. Here is the refrigerator. let's do the cool test. Pretty cool. And you have this drawer over here. Cuisinart coffee maker and all of your Joffrey coffee and tea, condiments, fun Mardi Gras shelf. Okay, so you have this nightstand in the middle, and it has some shelves for storage here. And you have 2 outlets, and you have your USB ports. You have this antique, this old-fashioned thing called a landline, a phone. And each side of the bed has these reading lights. Do it. And this side of this bed has a tiny little nightstand, and there's an outlet right down there. And here is your double sink vanity. And here is the magnifying mirror, so we can check out all of our pores and imperfections. Yeah. I just love these new rooms. I really do. I love the way they set it up. So here is your extra pillow and blanket, safe, and closet area to hang up your clothes. Ironing board, and look at this nice hair dryer. Molly, you'd be proud. Look at this hair dryer. That is a nice upgrade from what they used to have in here, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, I'm glad I didn't bother bringing my hair dryer. Looks like a nice steam iron. And I like how they have this for the kiddos. Little footstool. More places to store things, more shelving. Then you get hand soap and body lotion. And this room came with a full bath. Here is your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Royal throne. I love the floors. They're pretty, very pretty. I just really love this new room. Love it. It's pool time. I'm so happy it's not raining. When we first looked at the forecast, it said it was like 90% chance of rain this weekend. You just never know when you take a Disney trip what the weather's going to be like. So just enjoy yourself no matter what the weather is. But I'm really happy with this. And I kept my sunglasses. That's my kind of slide. It's a very nice water slide. I remember riding it years ago. I like that I can keep my hair dry. Is that shallow of me? I don't know. was full so much. They have this cute little kids area splash park. It was added a few years ago.
On that side,
Oh, okay.
if you're interested.
Awesome, thank you.
You're welcome.
So I got the Hurricane, and you can get it without the souvenir glass, because I do have those glasses. Oops. Very good. So this is the gift shop. These plushes, I love them. My cat loves them too. I have these in the gift shop in the for the new Princess Tiana's Bayou Adventure. But you can get them here because this is a New Orleans resort. Wow, I don't usually see this many magic bands to choose from in one of the resort's gift shops, so they have a good variety here. Anything medicine-wise, toiletries, baby pull-ups that you might have forgotten at home, you can get here. And they also have potato chips and things like that you can take back to your room. And here are the refillable mugs. Breakfast items, but I would go get beignets, guys. I'll show you the beignets later in the video. And different kind of drinks. All right, let's go check out the arcade. So at first, you think this is a tiny little arcade, and then you go around. Galaga! Galaga! Oh yeah, they got these chairs here. Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna hit the Scat Cat Club lounge now. So I ordered one of the Scat Cat's Club's specialty cocktails, and this is the Bourbon Peach Tea. Let's try it out. Oh wow, that is perfect. You really hardly taste the alcohol in it, so it can be very dangerous. Oh, that's really good.
Everyone in the house, you make some noise for yourself. We're glad you guys are here with us. We're Jazz Fusion Band. We're here every Friday, Saturday, Sunday night, 7:30 at the Scat Cat Club. Hope to see you guys again. And as always, safe travels back to your destinations.
I ordered the barbecued wings. They're smoked chicken wings tossed in a sweet and spicy barbecue sauce, served with Cajun fries.
So whatever you want.
Goofy and Donald Duck are here in the lobby. Just want to say hi. You're the cutest dog ever. Good to see you. Hey Goofy. Looking good. I didn't know I'd see you here. It's great seeing you. You're looking nice. Very handsome. Very handsome. What a fun surprise. Already seen Pluto, Donald Duck, and Goofy this morning in the resort lobby. Okay, it's time to go to Hollywood Studios. Let's go. Oh, I love all the shaded areas at this resort too. So just right outside the front lobby to your right is the bus station. They only need one bus station at this resort because it's so small. Love it. It takes you to all the theme parks and Disney Springs and the water parks. So you have the water taxis here that take you to Disney Springs, and you can also take the water taxi to Port Orleans Riverside if you like. What would be perfect right now is if the horse and carriage would go by. I did see the horse and carriage my very first day here. How lovely is that? To have a horse and carriage. Just to even see it go by at your resort. Like, wow. Hopefully I took footage off my camera of the horse and carriage, but if I didn't, I know I took footage off of my phone, and so I'll put that footage here.
Oh, here comes the horse. Here comes the horse.
Guys, I'm coming right this way. Ryder, step. Good boy.
That was cool.
And you've got to get those Mickey-shaped beignets when visiting Port Orleans French Quarter. All right, let's go to Disney Springs. Let's take the boat ride. You like my new purse? Isn't it cute? Check on dining at Paddlefish and maybe seeing the drone show from there. There's also Boathouse, and there's also Summer House that I've never eaten at. Let's see. So here is my beautiful shaved Brussels sprout salad with tuna. Oh my goodness. I had no idea it was this late, and that's why the boat transportation was closed, because it was past 11:30. I got lots of stuff at Disney Springs. I ate at Summer House finally. And it's 12 something. And I'm going to bed. Good night. Bye, Port Orleans French Quarter. It was a lovely stay. Lovely. I hope you enjoyed this resort and room tour of Port Orleans French Quarter Resort. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, everyone.